back, you guys, to another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your PC because mine was kind of dusty, so I decided to make a video on it. As you guys can see on the back side, it was pretty dusty. Now I'm going to show you guys from the front side. It's pretty dusty. It's pretty dusty in the front, from the front side, and this was just bothering me. I had to clean it up because surprisingly, there's fans back there. I know you guys can't see them because there's a huge wall of dust. There my beautiful fans are at. Yeah, 3/4 fans. Yeah, there's a lot of dust. You see real rings, ring dust, and from the inside, it's pretty dusty. Right down with this, don't know what to call it, so I'm gonna call it air blowing thing. That's what I'm gonna call it for now on, until I find out what it is. Probably next video or next time I make a video like this. The air blowing thing. Yeah, so it blew okay air out of it. Now I took it outside because I said to myself, well, I'm gonna be in here, I'm gonna be choking, and the wind was helping me. I was helping the wind as well. We were both helping together. We were good chums. And surprisingly enough, on the back side of the computer, well, not the back side, but the other side, it was pretty dusty. Even though there's no fans or anything, it was pretty dusty. I had to clean that out because dust can conduct electricity at some degree. Now my GPU was kind of the plate was kind of dusty. I didn't like it, so I like my computer looking well. So I tried blowing the dust off. It was coming off. There was too much dust, I guess. It wouldn't come off. So I made a master plan to get paper, and lint-free paper. These like paper towels from, I guess the brand was Bounty, I guess. So I decided to carefully just brush off basically the dust out of it, and thankfully it worked because I wouldn't be making this video if it didn't. As you can see, it's so shiny now, and it looks like straight out of the box. Just putting that puppy in. And also I'm leaving this clip in just to show you guys how to install a GPU, but not in detail because I'm not getting a good angle. But this is basically how you get a GPU. You get your GPU, not first. You remove the slots that you need. You should know which slots you're gonna need. Remove the little slot covers. Make sure you don't lose the screw. You pull back the little grip or clip. You put in the GPU, insert that puppy in. Make sure you put it in balance. That's how I put it. I put my fingers on both ends and push it down into it. And once that in, you push it up. Like, I guess like when you picture if you're putting it back up, if your GPU is gonna be sag, just try your best to remove any sag, and make sure your finger tight it. Once you put the screw back in, then the power connector and the power supply cable to the GPU, you have to plug that in. It only goes in one way. We'll clip in. We'll do a little click sound. It might not do a click sound. Just make sure it will just clip in. Won't be able to pull it out unless you force it. Don't force it, because that means it's in. That's what she said. But yeah, just enjoy this little clip, I guess. Learn something from it, or you guys want to leave me tips, go ahead and leave tips. Yeah, any tips is appreciated. I like learning about computers. I don't really find it offensive when people comment or criticize. I think it's helpful if it's helpful criticism. If it's just like, oh, you're stupid, then that's not really helping, you know. But if you made it this far, might as well leave a like and subscribe if you've made it this far, or comment down if you made it this far. Also, I want to say I moved up the little water cooling tubes because they're touching my GPU, and that's bad. There's water in there. The one that getting heat off the GPU could I don't know. I think it might evaporate it. So just to be safe, I don't let it touch the plate or the GPU. Don't let them touch. As you can see on the top left, I'm trying to move them. And right now they're not touching it, which is a good thing, because there's just some damage of water in there. And that wraps up the video. This is my take 10. This is my 10th time trying to record this audio commentary. The other times the audio got corrupted or just didn't record. And leave a like and subscribe and comment down what you guys want to see next. If you guys prefer this or the other thing, my other gaming videos, then Comment down below. I read my comment section. It's really small. There's nobody comments, so I'll kind of read my comments. Even though there's nobody there, just me commenting. And thanks for watching. And stay safe. Enjoy life. That's all. See you guys later.